This is WWE 5366. 5 times. Here we go. I want Dakota Kai to kick me in my face. All right, little game. If anybody can guess one of the autos that comes out, they'll win a pack of the of Topps Chrome WWE.
LeBron.
Listen, it's unlikely. Maggie has asked for there not to be a Mandy Rose auto, and then has now asked for a Mandy Rose auto. Okay.
Come on.
Jeez, Maggie, you're playing against yourself here. So yeah, whoever is correct gets a couple packs of Topps Chrome.
No one likes 75 plays.
Goat Tabby auto. What do you mean, Goat Tabby auto?
That kind of thing can't exist. It's a...
That's an oxymoron.
Yeah.
Matt W saying Carmella.
Oxymoron about an ultimate.
Alrighty. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. This list will decide who gets not only the spot, but also gets the first pack. Here we go. 1, 2, Fabulous 3, 4, and 5. Joshua Murphy is the winner. That's 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spot. So Joshua Murphy gets the win. Again, another one whose whole thing ended up together. So 5366, Joshua Murphy wins again. And by wins again, I mean it's the second spot that he's won. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck all. Only 27 spots left in our WWE Transcendent break. So Peter B said Bailey. Sam says Cesaro. Dale, guess a wrestler.
For what?
For whose auto might come out.
A girl.
Ooh.
Are there any girls at the time?
Yeah.
Well, I'm just picking a gender.
Okay. Good luck. Alrighty, first one is for Joshua Murphy.
Good luck, Josh.
Here we go. Did Stone Cold Steve Austin sign in this? I don't think so.
Did you get the rock?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Randy Orton, Keith Lee, Charlotte Flair, and Rhea Ripley. Rhea? I can never remember if it's Rhea or Rhea. Rhea Star Wars. Reese Williams is up next. Angel Gaza. Edge. A refractor of MVP. And a refractor of Hey Kayla Braxton. Joshua Apter up next. Good luck, Joshua. Becky, Drugu, Riddle, and Shelton Benjamin. Becky. Some nice cards out of Recon, Dale. Yeah. Autos, however, dreadful.
Really?
Yep.
Big stinker.
Except everything else that isn't an auto, fantastic. Ashley Bramstedt has 2. There's 2 autos, so everyone's got 2 chances. Last chance to guess an auto. Sheldon Benjamin, Kevin Owens, Shinsuke Nakamura, and Kevin Owens, refractor. Oh, big Uber. Second one for Ashley. Damian Priest, Rhea Ripley, Kayla Braxton, and Shinsuke Nakamura. Who's your favorite, Dave?
Just keep what?
Fighting.
Oh.
Doesn't care, just wants to keep fighting now.
Fair enough.
Well, he must have met Maggie. Just wants to keep fighting people. Do you blame him? Aaron Ferguson has 2 now. Maggie's gone Chad Gable auto. Good luck, Aferg. Hey Bailey, Alistair Black, and Christian make his WWE debut. And Damian Priest. Maggie just said unlimited guesses. Oh, is this something you breed over on your channel?
No, definitely not.
Jeez.
One guess or time out if you have a second one.
Oh, that's a good point. Next one for Aferg.
You should just be grateful he's guessing before the card comes out.
Sheamus, Dolph Ziggler, Sasha Banks, and Angel Gaza. He loves that, doesn't he? The old afterwards guess?
Yeah, thinks he's real funny. It was funny the first time,
Oh, absolutely.
but that was before round 1.
Yes. Up next, William Waddell has one. Old WWE loves a nice card from this as well. Adam Cole, baby, Dexter Lumis, Raquel Gonzalez, and Edge.
Where are the autos, Blake? I've got to go.
Where are you going?
Oh, do more deliveries.
Oh. New service.
Yeah. Get the old workout today.
Oh, I just want to be out in the sun. I'm going to go get food, but I'm going to get food in like Paran. After William is Aaron.
Are there any relics?
No, not in this one. Aferg, here we go. Scarlett, Billy Kay, Xavier Woods, and Eva. Iva? Next up, David. And then Ashley. And then David, then Michael. Here we go. Mustafa Ali, Lindsay Dorado, and Razor Ramon defeats the 1-2-3 kid. Little hand on the bum action there.
Oh, a kid
And
stuff.
R-Truth. He's the 1-2-3 kid. That was... What? Is that Aferg? Or was that... No, that was David.
David.
I'm all over the place now.
Ramo rattled you with his inappropriate.
Yeah, talking about butts. And Ashley Bramstead's up next.
Got a good feeling about this one, Blake.
King Corbin, Bobby Lashley, Andrade, and The Miz. He's on Dancing with the Stars at the moment.
Is he?
Yeah. Not the Australian one, but the US one. 4 in a row. How does that happen?
That's auto chance high.
Liv Morgan, Seth Rollins Refractor, and Callisto.
That's cool.
He's like a white Darth Vader.
Thor.
Yeah, oh, okay. How was the Sundale? Asked Matt W. He did ask if you slip, slop, slapped.
No, but I do have sunscreen for my walk. I'll get wrecked.
Bronson Reed, Kyle O'Reilly, Santos Escobar, and Chad Gable. That's one of the guys Maggie guessed. Tell you what, this is officially the halfway point. This is pack 14 and 15. Velveteen Dream, Ruby Riot, 5-Timers Club, Booker T, and a refractor of Dakota Kai. Angry Goblin. You going home?
Yeah, righto.
Jeez. David is got his final one. Samoa Joe, Naomi, Kofi Kingston, and Kushida.
Blake, are
Is
any
there
autos
is there
in this
autos
product?
in this product? Michael Latouf up next. Good luck, Michael. Charlie Caruso, it's to 5. Oh, Karrion Kross, 4 of 5, red auto. And Shotzi Blackheart. There we go, first one for Michael.
No.
No, Karrion Kross. Real angry.
Well,
bloke.
that's clues in the title, Blake.
Oh, hey. I thought about that as well. I was like, what? Arian. Oh, jeez. Oh, yes. Aaron Ferguson up next. Yeah, angry Aaron. Like, is that what he's saying? Good luck to Aferg, Montez Ford, Aaliyah, Cam Grimes, and Big E. Nice, a short print of Karrion Kross. Joshua Apter up next. Roderick Strong, Tommaso Ciampa, Big E, and Angelo Dawkins. Was that for Apta? Oh, jeez, I've forgotten already. Braden, David, Will, Ethan, Ashley, Christian. All right, so Braden up next. Angelo Dawkins, MVP, John Morrison, Refractor of Charlotte Flair. David is up next.
Are these players both for the same team?
Yes. Dabakato, Oscar, Eric, Refractor. Geez, those are some tiny shorts. And to 150, Cameron Grimes, to the moon. Look at him. Just real short. Real short. William Waddell up next. We are waiting on another order. Ivar, R-Truth. Cruiserweight Greats, the Brian Kendrick, and Bayley. I could stand by you forever. Ethan Gallagher. The Miz, Callisto, 5-timers Club of the Rock, and a refractor of Aleister Black. No man is ever truly good. All right, we're going down to the final two. It's Ashley or it's Christian. No man is ever truly evil. Ashley, good luck. Chad Gable, Dakota Kai, Kushida, and Randy Orton, which means it's in the last pack. Christian has just waited till the end and stolen it. If there is one. Christian Loesch, good luck. Shotzi Blackheart, Big E, and Riddle. Bro. Number 153109, and Keith Lee, but big Riddle. Maggie, you should have guessed Riddle. All right, that is 5366 done.